Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio 2022 with the Azure DevOps workload and access to the target Azure DevOps organization. Next, open Visual Studio and choose Connect to a project from Team Explorer. This step establishes the link. If you use personal access tokens, create a PAT in Azure DevOps and copy it. Otherwise, ensure Azure AD SSO is enabled for seamless login. Once signed in, Visual Studio will list available organizations and projects. Select the one you need and move to. Once connected, navigate to repos and pick the repository to clone. You decide between HTTPS, use PAT, or SSH, add your public key to Azure DevOps. After choosing protocol, click Clone and set a local folder. Make sure Git is selected or configure a TFVC workspace if using Team Foundation version control. Visual Studio will fetch branches and set remotes. If you need specific branches, fetch and check out the branch now. Make sure Git settings like line endings and credentials. You finish by making edits, staging files, and committing with clear messages. Then push to the target branch and create a pull request either in Visual Studio or in the Azure DevOps portal for review. If push or auth fails, first re-authenticate, refresh the PAT, sign out and back into Azure AD, or re-add your SSH key. Also check remote URL and firewall rules. Once the PR passes pipelines and reviews, complete the merge and pull the updated main branch into your local repo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.